We're looking at a 2007 Thomas pusher with the Mercedes diesel, the MBE 900. We stripped down the exhaust system. We've got a leak at the EGR piping, and the turbocharger we're going to replace because we're getting a boost code. And according to the manual, you have to, there's no measurement. See this compressor side. It's got the usual, there's always a bit of play, radial play up and down on both ends. They say to take both ends of the turbo shaft and push it one way, and if it drags, it's got to be replaced. And we did that, and it does drag when you push it. We'll push it towards the back, and when you turn the shaft, there's a drag there. So we gotta replace the turbo. There's almost 300,000 kilometers on this engine. This is the original turbo. And you also check the end plate. You can hear it. But it's the same deal. You pull it one way and turn it, and if there's a drag, it has to be replaced. And then you have to go the other way on the other end and turn it. That's the axial run out, but it's not as bad as the radial run out. When you push the shaft with both hands to one side of the housing, and we got a pretty heavy drag on it. So we're going to replace it, and we're into EGR piping. It's a common problem when it leaks. You've got the steel ring seals, and it leaks out of there quite often. There's the other EGR piping. There's a bit of a soot buildup going on. So you can't have any exhaust leaks or intake leaks, boost leaks or anything, because it will give you a boost performance code. So we just have to order the parts and put it back together and road test and see if the code comes back.